By Michael Abatam. Wife of the Imo State Commissioner of Police and Chairperson of Police Officers' Wives Association PAWA, Imo Command, Hajiya Habiba Barde, on Saturday 25 September, 2022, took her benevolent altruism campaign to another level by providing a rehabilitation and management facility for the treatment of sickle cell persons, with a newly dedicated hospital wing in the Police Medical Center Amakohia, Owerri, Imo State. The epoch-making occasion was well attended by dignitaries and very important personalities drawn from all walks of life, which includes the Commissioner of Police, Imo State Command, CP Muhammad Ahmed Barde, his management team, area commanders, heads of departments and divisional police officers. The event, which also served as a platform for fundraising to refurbish and recondition the hospital built by Imo State PAWA chapter, was well applauded. In her opening remark, the PAWA chairperson, Hajiya Habiba Barde, said that Imo State PAWA under her watch will ensure lasting infrastructural development to cater for the well-being of the families of officers and men in the command. Stressing that police officers around the world needs an upgraded health facilities due to the inherent risks that comes with policing. She stressed that the hospital will be adequately refurbished and equipped with the latest technological equipments in the medical for prompt and efficient response to every health challenges, with a section of the hospital specially dedicated for the management and rehabilitation of sickle cell persons whom are often neglected or victimized due to their debilitating health conditions. According to the Imo State PAWA chairperson, she decided to embark on this huge and expensive project because she understands the significance of quality healthcare delivery for the major role it plays in the society. More so, she understands the trauma persons living with sickle cell and their families pass through in our today's society. Guest speaker and awardee, Mrs. Aisha Edward Maduagwu, National Coordinator, Association of People Living with Sickle Cell Disorder, and the Director, Sickle Cell Orphanage, and Underprivileged Home Agulu, Anambra State, shared some touching experiences of herself as a sickle cell carrier. She recalled the anxieties always clouding families and homes where there are sickle cell patients, while calling on those in position of authority to do more to save the ugly situation. She observed that genotype education and sensitization had become a sine qua non to the eradication of sickle cell disease, and governments at different levels had been mandated by the 63rd session of the United Nations Assembly to recognize sickle cell disease as a public health problem. Mrs. Maduagwu further decried the lackadaisical attitudes of some hospitals in the treatment and management of sickle cell patients, noting that exploitations by these medical cabals are rife, especially in the rural areas. She bemoaned the fate of some undergraduates as live-in couples, still oblivious of the dangers and implications of their cohabitations until they start birthing sickle cell children. She emphasized the need for a legal framework that will drive the essential mechanisms for sickle cell eradication should be upheld in every strata of government administration. Law enforcement agents should also ensure compliance with the sickle cell law where it is necessary and needed. On her glaring achievements on sickle cell advocacy spanning over a decade, Mrs. Aisha Edward Maduagwu was honored with an ambassadorial status by the chairperson of PAWA Imo State, to further take the message on sickle cell disease and eradication down to every corner of the Federation, and to collaborate with other PAWA state chapters, and harp on the importance of genotype knowledge and certification of intending couples before they can go ahead with their marriage plans. Dignitaries who spoke at the event includes the wife of the Inspector General of Police, Hahara Baba Alkali, ably represented by Azinwanyi Princess Udom, the Southeast/South-South coordinator of PAWA Multipurpose Cooperative, who praised the industriousness and diligence of Hajiya Habiba Barde in putting the collective interest of PAWA first and above personal interests, and for building strong legacies that will outlive her stay in Imo State Command. Other highlights of the event includes presentation of awards to well-deserved dignitaries, side attractions and fun-filled entertainments that thrilled all the worthy invited guests. At View's exclusive rights, CSP Michael Abatam, Police Public Relations Officer, 4, Commissioner of Police, Imo State Command, September 25, 2022.